We live in a box, in a psychotherapeutic box. And when we learn a particular theory of personality, a particular theory of intervention, we get ourselves locked into that box. And in order to get out of the box, we can't use the same thinking that is used to construct the box. We need to use a different kind of thinking. Like there's a bell curve, and what advances us in terms of humanity, in terms of our understanding of any particular field, is when people can suddenly get themselves out of the box. And one way that I use to get myself out of the box is by looking into the arts. A problem in therapy. People know, but they don't necessarily realize what they know. People know that they should be kinder in relationships. People know that they should be more sensible and more sensitive in relationships. People know that they should exercise, or they know that they should stop smoking, or they should stop overindulging. They know. But do they realize what they know? And so one of the problems that we're challenged with when we're in our offices is how do we bridge this gap from the land of knowing to the land of realizing? And I'm going to suggest to you that it's some of the things that we can do where we can have more impact that is going to bridge that difficult gap. An underlying thesis. And here I'll just take us to task for a moment. And I'll take us to task by creating a straw man and say that we underfunction. And we underfunction terribly. And one of the reasons that we underfunction is that we don't understand our medium. And we don't really use the essential characteristics of our medium. What is our medium? Our medium is communication. And we don't learn what is essential to communication, how to use that communication in a way that is most potent, that has the most impact. And so we can, if we want to find our way to get out of the box, we can be corporate raiders. And I have been a corporate raider, stealing from movies, stealing from art, stealing from social psychology, and bringing aspects of that work into the warp and woof of psychotherapy.